Copper core cookware is sold at a massive premium for its thermal responsiveness. But if that copper layer is too thin, you're just paying for overpriced stainless steel. At Wade Media Labs, we wanted to see if the copper core label actually translates to faster temperature control in a real-world workshop environment. We heated 12 leading copper core pans to a uniform 450 degrees. Using precision infrared sensors, we measured the cool down rate the moment the pans were removed from the heat source. The results exposed a major marketing gap. In 9 out of the 12 pans, the cooling curve was nearly identical to standard triple-ply stainless steel. The copper was essentially invisible. Responsiveness matters. If your pan holds onto heat too long, delicate sauces break and proteins overcook the moment you turn the dial down. Only 3 pans demonstrated true copper behavior, shedding heat significantly faster than their stainless counterparts. These are the only ones where the copper layer is thick enough to change your cooking experience. Don't pay for a hidden layer that doesn't deliver results. Real performance is measured in degrees per second, not marketing buzzwords. See the full cooling charts, the core thickness measurements, and the 3 true copper winners at cookwarescout.com.